Hinky dinky doo, students. Chef Snorkeldorf in the kitchen with my good friend.
Hey, it's me, Ratatouille. Hey,
Hey,
howdy,
Ray.
howdy.
How's you
What's
doing?
going on? Oh, well, I'm okay. It's been stuck inside all the time. It's kind of making me crazy, but I got a big old belly because I eat all of my food, actually.
Right? We've been eating
Oh,
lots and lots. But
oh,
speaking
so
of
much.
eating so much, I have a problem.
Oh,
My mom has not gone to the store in
oh,
2 weeks,
yes.
and I'm out of stuff to make to eat. I don't know what to
I
make.
know, and it's all crazy. The Walmart pickup, they always get the things wrong. I know I wanted some more peanut butter for my sandwiches. And all they gave me was this silly old tuna fish.
Oh.
Oh, it's so crazy.
Well, I have an idea.
Yes?
Let's see if we can make a quarantine meal.
Oh, I like it because I cook so much.
Yeah, I like it too. Let's see what we can come up with.
Yes.
See what's in your pantry.
Oh, all right, I go look. We need this first. And 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Yes.
Red, that's a
We're
great
gonna
place
make a
to start.
sandwich with all the things we got. And
Yeah.
because I have no peanut butter, and it makes me so sad. Oh, we're gonna have to use tuna fish, and I'm gonna make it so good.
I like tuna. Let's see.
Oh, I got a tuna fish.
Okay,
Hey, tuna fish. Are you ready? Here we
I'm
go.
ready.
1,
Ready.
2. Ah.
Oh,
There we go. Oh, it's a tuna fish.
this is a tuna fish.
So we got some bread.
We
We
have the
got
bread.
tuna fish. Oh, let me see what's next. Oh. This is the icing of the cake. I tell you what. Oh,
It's not icing, is it?
oh, it's so heavy. Oh, yes. It's grape jelly. I like it. Here you go.
That's a very interesting choice
Oh.
with jelly.
Oh, it's gonna be so good. You gotta make the tuna fish taste better. All right, let me see what I need some crunchies. Let me go get my crunchies. I'll be right back. Oh,
Crunchy
oh,
sandwiches.
oh,
This is getting interesting.
oh, oh, yes, I got some goldfish. Yes.
Fish.
Oh, it's gonna be so good. You trust me. You trust me. Here you go.
Oh,
Oh, oh, yeah.
that's a big box of goldfish.
Yes, it is a very big box of goldfish. All right, let's get busy. First, we needed some breads to lay out on the counter for our sandwich. We need a piece of bread. Yes.
I'm gonna lay out the breads. I'm gonna use
Yes. Oh, lay out those breads.
we'll lay out the bread. It's here.
All right. Now we need to open our tuna fish and drain off the tuna fish. We don't want no stinky tuna fish juice in our
no juicy
sandwich now, do we? No. No.
Oh wow.
I want it to be good. So drain that. Yes, just like that right there. Oh, you drain that really good.
There we go.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
That's the way to do it.
Dry. I'm gonna give it a squeeze because I like it really dry. All right.
Okay.
Now what do I do with the tuna?
Now we're gonna put the tuna fish in the bowl. Yes. Oh, there we go. And now we need 2 tablespoons of grape jelly. 2 spoons of jelly.
Oh.
Oh, it's gonna be good, I promise. It's making my mouth water just thinking about it.
The jelly.
2 spoons, yes. Yes. Oh, perfect, perfect, yes. Now stir it up like it's all crazy, crazy. Whip it with that spoon. Yes. Like the eggs, just beat them. Oh, and now take some,
Look right.
yes, just like that. Oh, just like Mama used to make. Oh, now we spread that all over our bread. Oh, just like that. Just like that. He's gonna be so, so good, I promise you. And now after you get it spread out on your bread, we need to top it with, get this, with our goldfish. Yes, right on top, all over, a big handful. Oh, they are gonna be so crunchy. Now we put the top bread on.
Look right.
Oh, it looks so yummy, just like Mama used to make.
Hey, Chef, I'm trusting you.
All righty, put it on our bread.
Share half with me?
Yes, I will. I want to. I love some. Cut it in half. All righty, here we go.
Here's your half.
All right, here's my half.
Pink before I give it to you.
Oh,
Here's your half.
oh, yes. Oh, oh. Oops.
Ready?
Let me get it. Yeah, I get it. I get it. I
Don't
get
drop
it.
drop your.
Oh, I got my damn wet. I got my ah. Oh, it's so good. Yes, you did a great job, just like my grandma. How do you like? Is it the best thing you ever had, no? Oh, yes.
Enough during quarantine.
Oh, we like cooking for the kids in quarantine. Yes.
So, if you guys are like us, and Mom hasn't been to the store in a while, maybe you should check your pantry. See what you can make.
Yes, yes, yes.
What do you
Do a
think?
good job. I think that's a great idea. Making a good sandwiches. They taste so good in my belly. Yes.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious. Let's see what's next, guys.
Bye. Oh.